There we go. Here we are, the two of us, the dream team, coming to you live on a Monday. How are you doing, Desert?
Man, I'm here, bro.
Sheesh. Well, I don't know if you saw that. Did you see that tweet about me and my wife getting high?
You and your wife?
Yeah, dude.
No.
We got super high. I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to share this with everybody so that everybody knows that I'm married. I'm a married man. All you women that are watching right now, all, 0.2% of you, I'm off the table. What can I say? What can I say? And my wife is so happy. She's listening to me say this right now. It's not that I'm scared of her. Why would I be scared of her? You know what I'm saying? But, all right, so let's see if I can get this whole tweet. Oh man, I can't.
Thank you, Fozzie.
What's up, Fozzie? Appreciate you, man. So here we go. Here it is. So here it was. I said, got high AF today with my wife. Should have taken the cable car, but the story of making it up was pretty epic. And so when I say that we got high, bro, we got high. 3,170 meters above sea level, or 10,498 feet.
Nice.
And it was pretty wild. It was honestly funny. We go to this place and it's called Maserati. And so it's kind of like Maserati, but not pronounced that way. Huge mountain. On top, there's a massive cathedral. And so it's a walking trail to get up. We were walking. My wife was dying. I was doing all right because I've been running like 3.5 miles every day. And she looks at me and she was like, we're turning around. I don't want to do this anymore. We've got to go back down. I'm done here. It's finished. And I was wore out too, right? For the altitude. Also, it's like a steep incline, we're going the whole time. And then I looked at her and I said, babe, don't worry. We're almost to halfway. And she's like, almost to halfway? What? Right? Throwing a tantrum. And then we keep going. And then we get to a sign. Bro, we were a fourth of the way there. Now talk about moral kill, bro. I thought we have to, right? Like I was like, we got to be most of the way there, but no, dude, it was a hike. Shout out to Jaleesa, and yes, like she says, don't forget to smash the like button, repost, retweet. What's up, Daniel? Shout out to Crypto King. Oh, geez, you did it at the same time I did, maybe. Oh, then I just
didn't do anything.
I just did it badly. So then, How you feeling, Desert? You feeling good? What's going on?
No, I'm not feeling good.
Hey,
but I'm here. I said I was going to be here. I'm just going to deal with the pain. As soon as we get off this stream, though, I will be popping a pain pill, a muscle relaxer, and smoking some weed. So that should help.
That's what we like. We love that alternative medicine. It is healthier for you. Definitely better than what the pharmaceutical people get you. But when you mix them all together, effective.
The craziest thing is that I can't feel that
on that side. That's wild.
Yeah, my thumb, my palm. It's all numb.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Jaleesa's right. That sounds like a good night.
Well, yeah. I mean, it'd be a good night if I was partying, but I'm just doing it to dull the pain.
You're like, I'm just trying to stay asleep all night long.
Right. Bro, even today. I mean, I have been sleeping a little better, but today I was up at 4:00. Even over the weekend, I was up at like 5. The first few nights, I couldn't sleep more than 2-3 hours. And they had me on freaking Tylenol 3, and I could still only sleep about 2-3 hours. It's crazy. So, but we'll get through this. I apologize to everybody that I haven't been around. It's so hard to concentrate. I was telling John that today's like the first day I even looked at any charts because I just can't concentrate on the charts. I haven't been trading. I did get liquidated last week because I was in a position and I was just dealing with all this and I forgot to go back into the position. It was when everything crashed a couple days ago. We had that big sell-off, that big spike.
Was it a big one or a little one?
It wasn't that big. I'm not worried about it. It still sucks. Don't get me wrong. It sucks, but I'll make it back. I'm not freaking worried about it.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, market's looking good today. We hit 70 grand.
You know what I mean? Without further ado, let's just get into it, man.
Well, God damn. Reset the room real quick.
Reset the room. All right. So let's get some likes, subscribes, retweets, reposts, and come on. It's the least you can do. It costs you nothing. And we appreciate you guys for joining us. Yes. Follow JPEG Empire at @the_John Carter, at @desert_crypto, and at Chimbot Bridge on X. Check it out. Make sure you're following all the socials. Hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And don't forget to check out our catalyst proposal, which should be is pinned to your tweets, right?
Yes, it is.
I don't know if it's pinned to Empire tweets or not. If it's not, it should be.
Yes.
We will make sure we have it pinned under the Empire account also. Right? But then I got high. I was going to do TA, but then I got high. I was going to soothe your worries away, but then I got high.
And then Data's getting a nice portion of his FET into SUI today at $1.62.
Ooh. Oh wow! He caught the bottom. He caught the bottom of that dip. That's the dip that liquidated me. I was in a sweet long. That's the one that got liquidated.
Dang!
I'm glad somebody got in on that.
So I'm glad somebody made some money.
Mm-hmm. And the crazy. So that was Friday, actually. I think right because the crazy thing was in Discord. I posted in Discord, "Hey, I'm not going to be on the stream until Monday, but I'm going to post our DCA in the Discord." And I did it that morning, and I DCA'd that morning, and then like 3-4 hours later was the big crash. I was like, oh. So we could have got more, but we didn't.
Jeez.
You know what? Hold on. Let's not bring this up yet.
I don't know what you're doing. I was going to do the Market Watch thing.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. I don't want my screen up there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, I can see your password, though, so I'm good. Glad nobody else can. You're safe now. You're safe from everybody else.
You can't see password. Oh, so many wallets on.
Exactly, Third Patriot. Except we got high yesterday. And when I say high, like today, my wife woke up and she was like, I hate you. I feel awful. And everything's, dude, it was a long trek, like 5 hours, dude, up, then down. And the only reason we went down, because we were going to take the cable car down, was because the line was 6 hours long. So I was like, F it, we're going to walk because we'll get down.
6 hours long for the cable car?
Dude, that's what it looked like. I looked at it and it had so many curves in it, and they were only taking like 6 people at a time. I was like, no, dude. I was like, if
and there's only one?
There's 2. But it's like,
wow. Right.
Yeah. I was like, babe, if we walk down, we'll get down there like 3 hours before everybody else does. I bought tickets for the cable car and I returned them. And the lady was surprised. Like within 5 minutes. Bought them, went to the end of the line.
At least she let you return them.
I was surprised. I didn't believe that could happen. But she was like, what was wrong? I was like, I wasn't going to wait for that one. Otherwise, I just ate that money. Like, cool. It's $10.
All right, we can get into Market Watch real quick.
Boom.
All right. Let's get the glasses on so I can see this. All right, let's refresh. Boom. So we are up 1% today. Nice. Coming in at 2.475 trillion. We have 113 billion in volume. Pretty high for a Monday. Looking good. 55.8 on the Bitcoin dominance, 12.5 on Ethereum, and 10.704 will send you an ETH transaction. So we got Bitcoin up 3.1%, coming in at 69,870. We got Ethereum at 2580, up 3.3%. We got BNB back over 600 at 603, up 2.1. Solana at 177, up 1.1. I do think Solana is getting ready to bust. I think it's getting ready to move. We got XRP coming in at 52, up 1%. Dogecoin at 1667. Holy shit. Up 17.3%. Did Elon put out some kind of tweet?
I haven't been on the internet like that the last, since my wife got here, to be honest.
Wow. So we got Tron coming in at 1642, up 0.3. Toncoin at 504, up 1.5. And Cardano coming in at 34.59, up 2%. Let's check out the biggest gainers. That would be Dogecoin with a 17.3% pump.
Oh, you muted yourself again. I'm telling you, it's something. There's a button there. There's something.
No, but I'm not touching anything. I'm just moving it.
Now you're muted again.
See, that was the mute button.
Huh.
So weird. All right. We got Rune up 13.3. We got Bread up 8.4. Floki up 8%. Shiba up 7.7. Sui up 7.5. SPX, some new meme coin, I guess, just broke the top 100. Up 7.3. Athena up 5.2%. Big thing on Athena. I can't remember, but I was reading an article about misappropriation of funds on Athena.
Oh, I saw that.
You see that?
Yeah.
That's Arthur Hayes' project.
Yeah.
We got Radium down 7.9%. Mantra down 5.3%. If you guys are looking for a good RWA play and you're concerned about the fact that Ondo has this giant cliff unlock, in January, look into Mantra. I put out a video. If you search Mantra in our YouTube, you'll find a video on Mantra.
Highly recommend.
Beam. What's that?
Said highly recommend. It was a really good one. Yeah.
Beam down 3%. Matic down 1.4%. Caspa down 1%. Gala down 0.5%. Not very many losers today. Wow. What was that? Hold on one second.
Whoop. Sounds like dogs. So what I can see here, guys, from what I'm looking at, is that we got a red dot at the top of this SUI. Or yeah, it's looking like pressure is going to go down. So we're going to get a retracement soon. And then so I'm sure exactly when Desert gets here, he's going to corroborate the same story. He's probably going to have some kind of bearish divergence. I wish I could like put my cursor on the screen and show you where I think that it is. But let's see what he says. Let's see what he says.
Okay, no calls for alarm. Had the bedroom window open and it slammed the door when another window got open. So,
gotcha. All right. You were open with your 45, weren't you? Making sure that nobody was coming in. You're like, I don't have a 45. Felons can't do that legally.
That's right.
But so wait, on the SUI, were you going to talk about a retracement, a bearish divergence? Maybe between that peak back there, all the way down to the top. No, on the RSI.
Oh, on the RSI.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't. Not a retracement. I'm sure the RSI is going to come down.
Maybe it's the MACD that I'm looking at. Where the red dot is on the top of the first, like
that.
No, down.
There's no red dot.
Oh, I don't know how to show you on mine. It's okay.
On this?
Yeah, on that one. From the top of that hill where the red dot is down to the up on the top part. Left. Up. The high point. Yeah, there. No. Back.
Okay.
Well, I mean, even there, but to the yellow peak. No, doesn't work.
Okay, that way? I'm not entirely sure what you're talking about, though.
Oh, okay.
From here, a retracement. So the momentum has been going down, and the price has been going down.
Okay, there we go. But where the pump is on SUI?
The pump is right here.
Yes. Do you think that pump, like, you think it's
sustainable?
Yeah.
I think that we are retesting this macro downtrend right here. And I have an alarm set on this line. And I'm looking for an entry. So
you're looking for an entry. So you still think it's going up?
Yeah. I mean, we're up 5% in the past hour and 20 minutes. So I don't think it's going to keep going up tonight. But it could go up 20% tonight and then come back down to earth in the morning. But my entry, the reason I have the alarm set is because once it gets above, then I come down here to the smaller time frames and I start looking for entries. And if you can see, look, we keep hitting our head on it. Boom, 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 boom. So it all depends. Oh, John disappeared. It all depends what Asia decides to wake up and do. I'm just going to blow through these guys. I can't really concentrate on the charts right now. So I'm just going to go through them real quick. Come on. Okay. So Bitcoin on the daily is looking good. We came down. We retested last week. We bounced again. We're now above this other spider line right here. We got a little bit of red, but I mean, it's just probably cooling off. So momentum looks good. Money flow looks good. Money flows to the up. VWAP's to the up. Momentum's to the up. So it hasn't turned yet. I would say we have a little bit of a bearish div. We go right here and right here. Even if we look at the RSI, same thing. You can see the higher highs with the lower highs. So we do have a little bit of a bearish div. We could cool off, tomorrow, today, tonight, tomorrow. We're kind of overextended away from the 21 again. So I'm kind of expecting this to come up. This kind of maybe move sideways. But you never know. We only got 3 days left in the month. Okay. So the whales could just bang this close. Speaking of month, let's see where we're at on the month. So we do have a nice green candle on the month. So as it stands right now, October is a plus 10% month, plus 10.39% is where we're at for October. So that's pretty good. Even if we just hold here, we could drop all the way down to like 63 grand and still put in a green October. So
that's crazy.
I don't think we'll go that low, but I mean, I'm just saying we could retrace all the way down here to about 63, just over 63, and still put in a green October. So the weekly close, nice bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, as you can see. Last week, or no, my bad. This is last week. We are creating a bullish engulfing candle on the new week. This was a red week, and now we're creating a bullish engulfing candle on the new week. So just a couple things I had pointed out. Let's go to the daily. I do believe Psy is still ripe in this cup and handle. You know what I mean? We got the cup and we got the handle coming down. I don't think it's been negated because we have this chop, because we're still on this like downward slant. So I still am looking at that. I have the break of the cup with a 60% pump to 81 cents. I think SWE is starting to come back up. You see that on the daily right there. We got that nice green dot on the daily. We got the nice green dot on the daily. We are testing this downtrend. Go down to the 2 hour. As you can see, we're testing this downtrend. We were able to get right back above the 173 right here, or 178, 173, 178. Our next resistance is at 193, except for this downtrend right here. So I would be watching that, have some alarms set. When it breaks through with some gusto, maybe wait for a retest and then open your long. Popcat, I've been telling you guys, Popcat is wild, and it just keeps going. We're in this upward going channel right here. We got this double top, triple top kind of right here at the all-time high of 167. Once we break 167, we are in price discovery mode. Put an alarm on that. And so if you longed it from there to the uptrend to like 173, break, catch the break, comes up about 4%. So, but definitely keep your eyes on Popcat. Let's go to the daily. This is the only concerning thing I see on Popcat, kind of like Bitcoin. Upward trend, downward trend, downward trend. So we do have some bearishness on Popcat. I think it'll come back down just a little bit, but it's a meme coin, so it could just do anything. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Solana. Want to look at Solana. So Solana, we are still in this pattern right here. Boom, boom, boom. You look, you can see we're breaking out of this downtrend. So this is the head and shoulders right here. Boom. But I didn't like the way it was looking, so I got rid of it. On the daily, though, we are breaking out of the daily downtrend for Solana. So when we take that measured move from here, put it up here, that takes us to a $272 Solana. So,
Sheesh.
but we have to get above this 181, which is a high here, and we have to get above this 203, which was our March high here. So once we get through all that, though, look, we bring that in. There's not much right here. What's this? November 21 at 258. So that's the all-time high right there. So there's a big gap. So, well, not right there. It's not supposed to be on that line. It's supposed to be on this line. But there's a big gap here. Say from the 203, 27% pump if we break the 203. So, and there's not much volume there. We could just shoot right to it and then boom, we're in freaking, nice vertical for November 5th. That's right. Once we break this 258, then we're in price discovery mode. So just saying, that's really about it. Bitcoin dominance still kind of pumping. It does need to retrace though. We still have these bearish divs right here. And then the total 3. So this, I put this in Discord the other day. So this blue line is our uptrend right here. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. We keep following it. Let me take that text box, move it out of the way. We just had a bullish cross on the daily, the 21 crossing the 200, and we're getting ready to get a golden cross of the 50 crossing the 200. So that's looking good, and that's altcoins. So definitely looking good there. I believe we pulled this before. Brings us to about 900 billion, or actually, I guess that should be up here. Yeah, about 911 billion for altcoins. You know, AVAX. I can look at AVAX real quick.
Did you watch the one with me and Aaron?
Yep.
He doesn't like AVAX that much from the tech side.
Right.
I thought that was interesting from the tech side. I wouldn't, that wouldn't be something that you and I wouldn't like code in it or be like the development on here is not good enough for what I want to build. You know what I mean? We wouldn't have that observation, but yeah.
Where
that was
is? Oh, there we go. Say, where is AVAX? So AVAX on the daily has broken below this trend line. So that are broken downwards out of this channel. That's not good. If we zoom in on the daily, so this is your uptrend right here, your upward channel, and it looked like it had a triple top and it broke down and now it's starting to work its way back. It needs to get above, it has a green dot, 2685, huh?
It has a green dot though on the daily right there, so it might be.
It does
to break back in.
It does have a green dot, and I would call this a bullish div. So you got higher high on price, you got lower low or lower high on RSI and momentum waves. So it does have a nice bullish div on it. It looked like it wicked right down here to our support 23.92. Boom. I'd really like to see it break inside this pattern. Let's put an alert on that. Oh, where is my? I don't want it on the daily though. Let's see here. I want it. So I would definitely be looking, if you're looking to long on something, I would wait till you get your alarm goes off where it's broken back inside the pattern, maybe bounced, retested, and then look for an entry. If you look on the 2 hour, got a nice rounded bottom right here. So, but that's about it. That's about all I can take staring up at this screen. So,
well, there we go. So I just want you to know that when I was showing you that food that I ate, look, awesome, Patrick. There's definitely hope for AVAX. I think it's going to perform well. I think that you're still looking at least an 8x from here. And
what's it at? $26?
Yeah.
Well, all-time high was 140.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think at least 8x.
Yeah. And I mean, it could be more or less. Do you think Elon will use Doge reward whistleblowers for the Doge? What? Use Doge to reward whistleblowers for the Doge. Oh, what is it? Department.
It's the Department of Government Efficiency.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. That would be awesome. So you whistle blow and then you get paid in Doge.
Instantly. No, that's kind of dope. Let's see. I'm stuck in a long on AVAX 4x leverage, down 30% that I went into a week and a half ago. And my second kid was born, so I've been out of the loop. Should have closed, but now I'm riding. Let's freaking go. Honestly, I hope that it works out. I think that it's probably at an all right position at 4x leverage right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't be too concerned.
Because if you've already written it down and you're only down 30% right now, I think if you're looking at it long term, you will likely be okay. But I might still put a stop loss, like, I don't know, at 70% maybe.
Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and take that freaking and take that L. But it really depends, you know. You can pack into the trade, bring down your average buy-in.
Yeah,
I do that sometimes.
DCAN. Yeah.
So where we're at right now, so you're down 30% on 4x. So 10% would be 40%, 70. So what is that, like a 12? No, 13, 15. 15 times 4 is 60. So like about a 15% drawdown would damn near liquidate you. So we're talking about 22. So if it hit 22.48, that would get you liquidated.
I think it'll go. I think it'll go.
Me personally,
even before
personally, I'd risk it for the biscuit. You know what I mean? But I don't know what your money situation is. I don't know how big of a position it is. I don't know anything like that.
And you said second kid, so sometimes maybe the second kid is more important than chasing the high of, like, you know, making ridiculous gains, which you still probably could. But if it's not that big, I would say non-financial advice, but if it were me personally, probably similar to what Desert would do, I would DCA my buy-in position down.
Right.
So that way your risk is less, but then also your gains are more over the long term when it goes up.
It's really hard to get liquidated at 4% leverage, but I've done it. It's possible. It's possible.
But it happens. I know.
It definitely happens.
But what I was going to say, Desert, is that so that piece of meat that I showed you that I ate, my wife, you know, my wonderful wife, I love her. She's my favorite wife I've ever had. But she sent me a picture of the cutest little lamb. And she said, that's actually what you ate today. She let me know.
Well, it kind of looked like lamb chops.
That's what it was. It was a lamb leg. So it was not a cow.
Lamb chops.
Yeah, no, it was a lamb leg that was broken in multiple places.
Oh, and okay. That's weird.
Yes, and congrats, Austin, for the second kid. That's fantastic.
Oh yeah,
yeah, we blew right over part of it. Crypto. Yeah. We're like a bunch of nerds up here. But everybody, thank you for joining us. Today's going to be a shorter episode. I'm going to let Desert heal up. I have to do mommy duty, so you guys have seen me less active on the socials. Oh my gosh, there's a police officer somewhere outside doing something. I'm sure helping somebody. Gosh, dang it. But yeah, I've been less active on the socials. It's not because I'm not here. You've seen me post some things. I've done some lives and everything's still going on. Have some interviews on the books and stuff. Anybody that needs or wants to be interviewed or has any projects they want interviewed, let me know in the comments. Tag me in Discord. Put it wherever you want. Tag me on Twitter. Still doing a lot of things. I've been spending some family time. I haven't seen my wife in months, so now I'm seeing her for 2 weeks, and the first week was great, and so got one more week. And yeah, and Desert's healing up, so we're just doing, self-help.
Same here. I know I haven't been super active in Discord, but if you ping me, I'll respond. You know what I mean? If I get a ping, I'll respond. I haven't been.
We've been working on our work-life balance for the first time ever, okay? So if you guys are upset with us about having an actually, equal work-life balance, we're sorry. We'll get back to being, 100% eventually.
Yeah. As soon as the pain goes away and I can concentrate and I can sit down for a period of time, everything we talked about last Wednesday is going to come to fruition. We're going to start putting out videos on the weekends, some live streams. I might be doing some live TA stuff. I want to get, is that a marble?
No, it's not. It's a, I don't know how to explain this. It's a fruit. It's a little tiny green fruit. Looks like a tiny lemon.
It's see-through.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to show it and show this off. It has a little meat on the inside.
The green screen is making it see-through. There we go. You can see that.
A little seed in it.
There you go. So, all right, guys. You guys have a great night. We will see you tomorrow. Rumbles are back on. I just noticed today that I didn't even pay out the last Rumble. So I paid everybody out and started a new one. Rumbles are back on every day, 5 p.m. PST. Other than that, we're good.
Peace out.